Good morning, students. In previous class we have learned ionic product of water, and based on the concentration of hydronium ions as well as hydroxyl ions OH minus ions, we classified solutions as acidic, basic or neutral. Okay, so now today we will discuss about pH scale. Is very important, and we will see in our daily life also pH scale. By the using of pH scale we can determine that solution is acidic or basic or neutral. Okay, so why? Because this pH scale is introduced. What is the importance of this concept? So in previous class what happened, we explained the concentration of hydronium ions. We expressed that concentrations 10 to the power of -7, 10 to the power of -6, 10 to the power of -5, like this. Okay, it is not convenient to express the concentration of hydronium ions as well as OH minus ions. Okay, so 10 to the power of -14 is nothing but 0.000 something, that value. Okay, it is inconvenient to express the concentration of H plus ions or OH minus ions. To overcome this problem, SPL Sorensen introduced one of the new scale that is called pH scale. So pH scale also represents the concentration of hydronium or hydrogen ions. Okay, so both are same, but in previous section it is inconvenient to express the concentration of hydronium ions or OH minus ions, but here Sorensen introduced a new scale that is called pH scale. So now we will see the definition of pH scale. Okay, the negative logarithm of the activity of hydrogen ions. What is the definition? Once again repeated. The negative logarithm of the activity of hydrogen ions or hydronium ions. Okay, that is called pH. So now we will write pH equal to minus logarithm of activity of H plus ions or hydronium ions, H3O plus ions, or sometimes it is also represented as negative logarithm that is based in negative logarithm of based in concentration of H plus ions is called pH. Okay, this is very important. Just the concentration of H plus ions or H3O plus ions represented in logarithm, negative logarithm based in. Okay, so this is called pH. So now we will see some examples, and the very important activity of hydronium ions does not have any units. Okay, here activity of hydronium ions, the activity of hydronium ions does not have any units is very important. Multiple choice question. Next one, for example, here some solutions is given, that concentration also given, and find out the pH value. For example, in HCl solution, the concentration of H plus ions, okay, for example here HCl solution is given. In this solution H plus ion concentration is 10 to the power of -2 molar. So now find out the pH value. Okay, so now find out the pH value. How much this solution of pH value? Already we known pH equal to negative logarithm of based in concentration of H plus ions. How much the concentration here? 10 to the power of -2 concentration. So now find out the pH value. Minus plus, okay, power of 2. It is a, what is the, we can write -2 logarithm of base 10. Okay, so base 10 logarithm 10 is equal to 1. So minus plus, that's why here 2, pH value is 2. Already we know it is a mathematical function. Okay, so how much the pH of solution? This solution containing the pH, how much the pH? 2. It is a simple expression to concentration of H plus ions. It is a convenient value. That's why Sorensen introduced pH scale. Instead of 10 to the power of -2, pH value is 2 is very simple value and accurate value. Another, we take another example. In NaOH solution, in NaOH solution, taken NaOH solution, in this we can determine the pH value. Okay, so in this here two concentrations are given, that is, so it is a base solution, it is a basic solution. That's why first of all OH minus ion, the concentration of OH minus ions is given 10 to the power of -4 molar. Okay, if OH minus ion concentration is 10 to the power of -4 means H plus ion concentration how much? Tell me. It is a 4 and the -10 molar, because the total concentration is 10 to the power of -14. So we can determine the pH value by the using of H plus ion concentration. Okay, so now write down the principle. pH equal to negative logarithm of base 10 concentration of H plus ions. So how much the concentration here? Okay, 10 to the power of -10. Okay, here minus plus, so now pH value is 10. This is the answer. So now in NaOH solution, how much the pH value? This solution pH value is 10. Okay, here what is the definition of pH scale? The negative logarithm of the activity of hydrogen ions or the negative logarithm of concentration. So both are equal words, activity as well as concentration. The concentration of hydrogen ions or hydronium ions is called pH scale. Okay, so according to this scale we can conclusion that what is the solution is a acidic or basic or neutral. Okay, so if the pH value is greater than 7, if the pH value is greater than 7, that is called basic solutions. Okay, if the pH value is less than 7, that is called acidic solutions. If the pH value is equal to 7, that is a neutral solution. So in your exam the concentration is given, that is a sometimes H plus ions concentration is given, sometimes OH minus ion concentration is given. It's very important. In exam only OH minus ion concentration is given and find out the pH value. pH value is nothing but concentration of H plus ions. Concentration of H plus ions. Okay. So both, whenever you calculate the H plus ion concentration and OH minus concentration, the total power is 14. So that is very important. Okay. So according to pH scale, what is the solution is we can classify the solution: basic solution, acidic solution, neutral solution. If the pH is greater than 7, that is basic solution. If the pH is less than 7, that is acidic solution. If the pH is equal to 7, neutral solutions. Okay. Next, one of the relationship is given. We already known that what is that ionic product of water, that is a concentration of H3O ions or H plus ions, and the concentration of OH minus ions equal to 10 to the power of minus 14 molar. Now apply the logarithm throughout. Okay, negative logarithm. Apply negative logarithm, that is negative logarithm of kW, always based in kW, equal to, here m plus n, multiply the m plus n. Okay, so logarithm of based in hydronium ion concentration, nothing but hydrogen ion concentration, minus logarithm of OH minus ion concentration equal to minus negative log minus 14, 10 to the power of minus 14. Okay, already we know that, so it is simple, we can say that power of kW. Negative logarithm of hydronium ions concentration means power of H plus ion concentration, plus, so here is also power of OH minus ion concentration equal to this minus plus, that's why 14. So this relationship is very, very important. So this is information about pH scale. So pH scale introduced by Sorensen to our convenient to express the concentration of H plus ions. This scale is introduced. Okay, and the negative logarithm of the activity of hydrogen ions or hydronium ions is called pH scale. Okay, if the molarity is given, the concentration of H plus ion is given, we find out the pH scale by the using of simple principle. Okay, and according to pH scale, if the greater than 7, that solutions are called basic solutions. Less than 7, that solutions are called acidic solutions. If the pH equals 7, that solutions are called neutral solution. And the relationship of P to the power of kW, ionic product of water, is equal to pH plus POH equal to 14. This is very, very important relationship. And the activity of hydronium ions or activity of hydrogen ions, activity does not have any units. Okay, this is also very, very important 2 points. So this is information about pH scale, and you will see some of the problems. Okay, so problem number 7.16 here. What happened? The concentration of hydrogen ion in a sample of soft drink is 3.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 molar. So what is its pH? Now find out the pH, which are given here. The concentration of hydrogen ions is given. Okay, next another, calculated the pH. Okay, here some molar is given. How much the molar? 1.0 into 10 to the power of 8 molar solution of HCl. In that solution we find out the pH value. Here is also concentration of H plus ions or concentration of the solution is given. Find out the pH value. In both problems you will practice. If you did not understand, I will explain tomorrow. Here some pH values of substances. Saturated solution of NaOH, how much the pH is a -15, okay, and 0.1 molar NaOH solution, how much the pH? 13 pH, okay. Lime water, okay, lime water containing the 10.5 pH. Milk of magnesia containing the 10. Egg white and sea water containing the 7.8 pH value, okay. Human blood containing the 7.4. So these two are neutral. 7 means pH is neutral, okay, sorry, pH value is 7 means that solution is neutral solutions, okay. Our human blood always having a neutrality. If it is acidic or basic, it is a poisonous, it is a dangerous to our body. So always our blood containing the neutrality, that means pH value of our blood is 7. Human saliva containing the 6.4 and the milk containing the 6.8. so like this, use see here pH values, okay.